The reason I love this bundle, especially with the new bifacial panel, the bifacial panel has some really good improvements from the last iteration of it. First up, you have a solar angle guide there on the front, which you just use that. There's a little shadow. It'll be hard to show up on camera, but there's a little shadow, and when you line that shadow up in the inner circle, it means you're getting basically the most effective pitch. And it's easy to get the most effective pitch on this because of the 3 stands. They went from 2 to 3, and it really does make a huge difference in getting that pitch. Now you notice you'll see some light coming through there. That's because this is a bifacial panel. It can actually work both ways, and it can pick up reflective light from the backside, which in snowy conditions, sandy, asphalt, grass not so much, but in a lot of different conditions, there's lots of reflective light around it. See how bright the snow is? It's all reflecting light backwards. It can actually help to increase the output of this 220 watt panel. Now I've got it with the Delta 2. You can put this with just about any of our power stations, or not our power stations, any of the EcoFlow power stations, and yeah, it'll work great. I think right now, because it's still a little cloudy, I'm getting about 110 going in, which is great. I was just testing out another one of my panels that's not bifacial, and I was only getting like 30. So it really does help to have the bifacial panel. I think it's a huge must, especially when you're charging a larger power station, that you want to be able to capture as much energy as quickly as possible, because especially in the winter time here, we're kind of limited with the amount of sunlight that we get and the hours that it's available. So I'm watching the screen here. As soon as I block off a panel, I can see the wattage going down. It's super responsive. That's great when you pair up the same brand of power station with the same thing. So a great little setup here. I think you're going to love it.